Hi friends, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast. So today we have a older casting from mainline 2024, the Silverado EV RST. So I was having this for more than a year. So thought let's make a quick unboxing video of this. So let's check out the card art. So you can see the card art is very fantastic in this black paint. Back of the card you can see manufacturing details, and this one is made of the year 07-2024. So this one is from HW Green Speed series and number 8 out of 10. So I am not a big fan of EVs, but still I took this because the casting looked really amazing. So thought let's keep this one, and I really like the paint scheme. So let's do a quick unboxing. Let's keep the packet side. Okay, so out of the package we can see a lot of paint bubbles are there, paint job is there. Now this is really disappointed from a collector's perspective. Hotwheels quality team should look at this minor things, because we are paying a price of 179, but still we can expect a paint job finish at a very good quality. Paint job finish should be there. Okay, so at the front we can see paint bubbles. Okay, let's start from the front. So here we can see Chevy logo is there, and we can see the headlight which is painted, and we can see fog lamps are there, and the engine grill is made of plastic. Okay, so same here, the chassis is made of plastic and the body is made of metal. At front we can see wipers there. So the mirrors are completely tinted, so I am not able to see the interior of the truck. Okay, so back of the truck we can see tail light details are there, and okay, here we can see surfboards. From the back we can see it is open. Yeah, it is open, completely open. I hope you can see it. It is completely open. So from the side we can see door handlebars are there, and side looking mirrors are there, and this part is the footrest. Yes, both of the side we have footrest, and we can see Silverado badging is over there. So the top is, yes, at the top is transparent, which is made of plastic. So the entire this part is made of metal, and including the top, and these sides are made of plastic. Okay, so it is completely tinted, so I cannot see inside the interior. So the wheels are absolutely gorgeous in this chrome finish. So let's look at the chassis. So you can see in the chassis we can see manufacturing details. Since it's a EV, so there is no exhaust details. Overall the casting looks really nice. I think this one should be the charging point. So let's do a roll test. Yeah, it is rolling nice, but comparing to other trucks of Chevy Silverado I have, and this one is a little bit lighter, but still the casting is amazing. You can have this one if you are able to grab. You can have this one. Yeah, rolling well. So that's all it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more amazing diecast review and unboxing like this. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting.